Hi there, it's Adongo Ismail from Digital Productivity Tools and Skills. In this video, we'll learn 10 tips and tricks of Google Calendar.
1. Keyboard shortcut.
With shortcut keys, you can navigate smoothly within Google Calendar. With shortcut keys, you can go to the previous month by pressing a shortcut key. You can also go to the next month, also pressing a shortcut key. With a shortcut key, you can also have 1 day view. You can have 1 week view. You can also have a full month view just by pressing the shortcut keys on your keyboard. You can also have a 1 year view just by pressing the shortcut key on your keyboard. Mastering shortcut keys, you can also go to specific dates on your calendar, maybe today's date. You can also edit events. You can also create events using shortcut key. Just pressing the shortcut key, you are good to go to create new events. Just add your title and move on. The most part is that you don't have to memorize all these shortcut keys. You only need to memorize only one shortcut key, and that is the question mark key. So pressing the question mark key on your keyboard will give you a key sheet of all the shortcut keys within Google Calendar. So these are the shortcut keys that are associated with Google Calendar, where it has put into groups. We have in the navigation groups, and these are the shortcut keys for navigation. We have views group, and we also have the shortcut keys that are associated with views, and we also have action group that have shortcut keys that are associated with actions too.
2. Mouse trick.
Mastering the use of the mouse, you can create new events. You only need to click on the date you want to create the new events, and then you enter your title, set your location, and then so on. You can also reschedule event. For example, we have event that is put on Tuesday, the 6th of August. If we feel like we want to move this event to any other date again, you can just click and hold on the event and drag it and drop it to where we want. Let's say 29th, and we have rescheduled the events like that. One thing we can also do with the mouse skills is that we can also select or highlight a number of dates. For example, if you want to view the events we have on maybe 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and 24th, what we need to do is to just click on 21st and drag it over to 24th and leave it. And now we will have all the events we have on those particular dates. So we have on the 21st, we have only this event, or for the rest, no events again.
3. Dual time zone.
You also have the option to add dual time zone to your calendar if you are certain, or if you are scheduling an event with different people who are on different parts of the world. To do this, go to the gear icon at the top left of the top right of the screen, clicks on settings, then on the left side of the screen, select time zone. Select time zone, then you tick on this box that is next to display secondary time zone here, and you have your secondary time zone box activated. Select the time zone in where you want, and then you can even add labels to it.
4. Event creation.
You have the ability to create new events from an email within Gmail. So go to the email in where you want to create the event, click and open it. Go to the top here, click on this, and then you can select create event here. Now the subject of the email becomes your title. All you need to do is to just scroll down and add your location. The body of the email becomes the email details here, and you just save it, and those people, the person will receive a notification.
5. Multi-notification.
You also have the option to receive multiple notifications to an event. For example, if you have an event, then you want to receive multiple notifications before the event, you can do that. To do this, hover over the calendar in where you want to receive the multiple notification. Click on this three dot, go to settings and share. Click on it, and on the left hand side, go to event notification. Then on the right hand side, you will see add notification. Click on it, then you add the notification. So you have the option to select either minutes, hours, days, or weeks to the event.
6. Cal.New trick.
You can create new event using the cal.new method. Just open your browser, type cal.new and hit enter on your keyboard, and you can create a new event with this one. Now add your title, set your location, your notification, and then you hit save to create your new event.
7. Calendar of interest.
You also have the options to add calendar of interest to your calendar. To do this, go to other calendars, click on this plus button, then choose browse calendars of interest, and on the right hand side you have all these birthdays, regional holidays, global religious holidays. You can add any of them to your calendar.
8. Access request.
You also have the options to request access to other people's calendar. To do this, go to other calendars, click on subscribe to calendar, and then enter the email that is associated to the calendar you want, then send a request. Once they accept your request and allow permissions, you will have your calendar over here under my calendars, and you can choose to overlay it on your calendar.
9. Change event owner.
You also have the option to change the owner of an event. Maybe you have scheduled an event, and due to one or two issues you cannot attend the event again, and you want somebody to take over from you. You can actually change the owner of the event and let them know. To do that, click on your event, go to this three dots here and select change event, change owner, and select change owner. Now enter the email of the person, then click on change owner. They will be notified.
10. Website publication.
You also have the options to publicize your calendar on a website. To do this, hover over the calendar, click on settings, then scroll down on the left hand side, click on integrate calendar. Now copy the embedded code and drop and paste it on the website you want to embed your calendar. So you can also customize your calendar. So by customizing it, you can show or you can unshow the title, the weight and the height, the color, the border, the default view. You can customize all these things. When you are done with that, just copy this code here and go and paste it in your website.